The decision by the Bank of America to cut ties with indigenous banks in Guyana will take effect sometime this August. Opposition leader Bharrat Jagdeo stated that this development will have far-reaching effects. In fact, he added that many people don't understand the consequences of such actions.
If a country loses correspondent banking, it can put you back into the Stone Ages. Could put the country back into the Stone Ages. And this is what we are playing with. Now, we can't blame APNU for it all, because the de-risking policy of these banks is something that has engaged the attention of the Financial Stability Board, which was formed after the crisis in 2008-2009.
The former president went on to say that what he finds bothersome is the short-sightedness of those who manage the government.
We pointed this out when we tabled. Twice we tried to pass the Anti-Money Laundering Act and the Financing of Terrorism.
This particular development, according to Jagdeo, is coming as a result of the place where Guyana finds itself before CFATF and FATF. The review process has exacerbated the risk profiling of the country, he maintained.
My fear is this is just the beginning, because there is something called a herd behavior in financing. And from the time one person moves, others tend to move. And if that happens, it will affect not only the financial sector, but it will affect the real economy. The cost of remittances will go up tremendously. That people, money coming into this country, the transaction cost for business.
Agreeing that there should be a replacement as soon as possible, Jagdeo believes that there should be worry about the Bank of America's withdrawal.
And then you end up with someone who is not one of the most competitive banks. So what happens? They will do it, but the premium you pay will have to reflect the higher risk profile.
Governor of the Bank of Guyana, Dr. Gobind Ganga, had told Nightly News that there will be implications for Guyana from the Bank of America pullout if the gap is not filled. He related that the Bank of Guyana was already looking at a replacement before the bank formally cuts ties. Handel Duncan, HGP Nightly News.